Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's raining outside, and recently, I also don't know why I keep steaming things. Today I'm going to steam beehoon with meat paste. There's just one trick that you have to take note. If not, your beehoon later will be very dry. So I'm going to tell you the secret how the hawkers actually does it correctly. Okay. So first of all, of course, you need to prepare the beehoon and some meat paste. We're going to marinate the meat paste later. First of all, the beehoon. How do you prep the beehoon? Basically, first thing, spread out the beehoon and do not blanch it now. That is the number one tips. Do not blanch your beehoon, okay? Dry. Keep it dry. Then let me quickly show you how to marinate the meat paste. So I have some meat paste here. I'm cooking for 3 plates later. So first of all, you're going to give it some fine salt, some Shaoxing wine. Then I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Few dashes of white pepper. Then we have some minced ginger, garlic, and also some tong choy. To give it enhanced flavor, I'm going to add in some fragrance oil and also some fried garlic. So this is fried garlic oil with some fried garlic. It will give it a bit of premium Vietnamese fish sauce and mix everything up nicely together. Next, in order to make your minced meat more tender, I'm going to add in some more water. Chinese, we call it 打水, yeah? You beat some water into the meat paste itself. You can feel it actually, immediately your meat paste will become more tender once the water is added in. And not only that, also to make it more tender, we are going to add in some starch powder, yeah, cornstarch. Now you can really feel the meat paste is super tender. I'm going to put some meat, spread it out onto the beehoon. And we shall add in some stocks. I already pre-cooked some ikan bilis stock. You can use any stock that you have at your home. I use ikan bilis because super easy, 5 minutes. Boil ikan bilis for 5 minutes, done. So here's my ikan bilis broth. Do make a lot of broth here. I have almost 2 liters here for 3 plates. Right, now the broth itself is not flavored, so you may want to give it some flavoring. I will give it a bit of, this is fish sauce and some fine salt. Good enough. Right before serving, I'll put some white pepper. Right, so preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius. Then put in your beehoon and steam it for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Right, this is after approximately 12 minutes. Let me take it out. Wow, it's definitely fully cooked. Let me take out the beehoon. Right, so here's the beehoon here. I'm going to garnish it with some goji berries, some spring onion, some fried shallot, a little bit of Shaoxing wine, and few dashes of white pepper. Done. Right. Of course, you can add some light soy sauce for the saltiness if you want. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.